Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign up in Acorns app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Acorns app. So once you have opened your Acorns app, you need to type in the email address to create or log into your account. So once this is done, simply hit the continue button and then you need to now type in the password for your account. After doing so, you need to simply tap on yes and then move forward. So after you are done, you need to simply tap on maybe later or cancel it. Now type in your first name, last name, and then date of birth. And after you are done, you need to scroll the cursor to I am a US citizen and then hit the next button. So once you are done with this as well, all you need to do is now type in the address of your location and type in the valid mobile phone number. Once this process is also completed, tap on the next button and you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to type in code. So you can even choose to send the code in your email. So whatever code has been sent to you, you need to simply type it in and tap on the confirm button. Once the code has been verified, you will be redirected to this page where you need to type in your social security number as well and then hit the next button. Once this step is also completed, all the process is completed and you can get signed up in your Acorns app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.